Hi, this cat is called filter the number. What are we dealing with? Well, with a string, and the only thing that we have to do is to filter the number out and return it. Let's go. Well, let's start with this one. What I want to do is to start iterating through the string. So for digit in string, and let's print the digits. And what I want to use is the dot is digit method on the string, on the characters. Let's execute this. And here you already see the direction that we have to go. As you can see, all the digits return true, 1, 2, and 3. So we have to use this condition. If this condition is met, we can print the digits again to double check it. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. So we can add it to a new string. Result is equal to result plus digit. And outside the loop, we can return the result. There we have a problem. Well, we have to use an assign operator, of course. 1, 2, and 3. Is that the expected output? Guess not. False. Why is that? Well, you don't see quotation marks here, and the result is actually a string. So when we print the type of the result, we see that we are dealing with a string type. Yeah. So we have to convert this to an integer. But for that, we have to build a function int, and that will convert it for us. True. And of course, we can use a one-liner. Let's comment this out as follows. So return in the same fashion digit for digit in a string if digit is digit. So here we have a list with only the digits, and we can make a string of that with the dot join method. Here we only use quotation marks because we don't need any delimiter to glue the string together. Yeah. And of course, this is a string type. So we have to convert it to an integer type. There we have it. This looks cool, but it is rather complex to read, so I actually prefer this easy one, this easy solution. But yeah, let's test it out in the interpreter. So let's test it. There we go. Attempt it. Passed all the tests. Let's comment this out and test this one and submit it. Attempt. And there we go. Works like a charm. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.